8 things going on inside your brain right now that you have no idea about. Number 1. One intriguing aspect of the brain is its ability to generate new neurons throughout one's life, a phenomenon known as neurogenesis. While it is traditionally believed that the adult brain was static and unable to produce new neurons, research has shown that certain regions of the brain, such as the hippocampus, which is commonly thought to do learning, continues to generate new neurons. This process is influenced by various factors, including exercise, learning, and environmental enrichment. Studies suggest that neurogenesis plays a role in cognitive functions like learning and memory, as well as in mood regulation. The discovery of ongoing neurogenesis challenges the previously held notion that the brain's structure remains fixed in adulthood, highlighting its remarkable capacity for adaptation, and regeneration. Number 2. Recent research has revealed that the human brain exhibits hemispheric asymmetry not only in terms of function, but also in terms of structural connectivity. While it is well known that the left hemisphere is typically associated with language processing and the right with spatial abilities, a study using diffusion tensor imaging has shown that the white matter connectivity patterns differ between the hemispheres. The left hemisphere tends to have more intra-hemispheric connectivity, facilitating communication within the same hemisphere, while the right hemisphere displays more inter-hemispheric connectivity, suggesting increased communication between the left and right hemispheres. This structural connectivity variation sheds light on the intricate organization of the brain, providing a more nuanced understanding of how the hemispheres collaborate and specialize in different cognitive functions. If you know anything about hemispheric differences, that idea that the left is more isolated and has much more connection between itself, and that the right has more interconnection with the left, will make even more sense. Shout out the book The Master and the Emissary, or at least that idea. Number 3. The brain operates on a delicate balance of excitation and inhibition, and a key player in maintaining this balance is the inhibitory neurotransmitter gamma-aminobutyric acid, GABA. What particularly intrigues us is the phenomenon known as GABAergic rebound. When a neuron is exposed to prolonged inhibition, such as from the binding of GABA to a receptor, it can lead to a compensatory increase in excitability once the inhibition is removed. This rebound effect is thought to play a critical role in various physiological processes, including the regulation of sleep-awake cycles, memory consolidation, and the synchronization of neural networks. Understanding the intricate interplay between excitation and inhibition and the role of GABAergic rebound adds a layer of complexity to our comprehension of neural dynamics and functioning. Number 4. The concept of neural oscillations and their role in information processing. This one is absolutely crazy. Neural oscillations refer to rhythmic or repetitive patterns of neural activity in the brain, and they play a crucial role in coordinating communication between different brain regions. One particularly intriguing aspect is the phenomenon of cross-frequency coupling, where neural oscillations at different frequencies interact and synchronize. For example, gamma oscillations around 30 to 100 Hz are often involved in local information processing and short-term memory, while slower theta oscillations around 4 to 8 Hz are associated with a process like spatial navigation and memory encoding. Research suggests that cross-frequency coupling allows for the precise timing of neural communication. During cognitive tasks, different brain regions need to coordinate their activities in a finely tuned manner. Cross-frequency coupling provides a mechanism for such coordination, enabling the integration of information across spatial and temporal scales. Man, that is so cool. Okay, number 5. Now let's explore the concept of mirror neurons, which are fascinating aspects of the brain's social cognition network. Discovered in the early 1990s, mirror neurons are specialized cells that fire both when an individual performs a specific action and when they observe someone else performing the same action. This is why in Driver's Ed we both drove the car and watched someone drove the car. Maybe. That's my idea. These neurons are thought to play a crucial role in understanding and imitating the actions of others, contributing to our ability to empathize and engage in social interactions. One remarkable aspect of mirror neurons is their potential involvement in a variety of social behaviors, from imitating facial expressions to understanding the intentions behind someone else's actions. The neural mirroring mechanism has implications for fields ranging from psychology and neuroscience to philosophy, as it offers insights into the neural basis of human empathy and social learning. The existence of mirror neurons has spurred research into their role in conditions such as autism disorders, where social cognition challenges are prevalent. As a neuroscience student delving into the complexities of mirror neurons, okay, I'm going to take that part out, boom. Number 6, boom. The enteric nervous system, often referred to as the second brain or the gut microbiome, I think, is a complex network of neurons located in the walls of the gastrointestinal tract. This system operates somewhat autonomously, but it also is connected to the central nervous system. It plays a crucial role in regulating digestion, but its functions go beyond that. The enteric nervous system can influence mood and emotion, leading to phrases like gut feeling or butterflies in the stomach. The communication between the gut and the brain is bidirectional, and the brain impacting the gut with the brain impacting the gut and vice versa. The connection is so significant that disruptions in the gut microbiome can affect mental health, potentially contributing to conditions like anxiety and depression. Researchers are still unraveling the intricate relationship between the gut and the brain, highlighting the complexity of our nervous system. The brain exhibits a phenomenon, number 7. The brain exhibits a phenomenon known as synesthesia. Synesthesia? The brain exhibits a phenomenon known as synesthesia in some individuals. Synesthesia is a blending of sensory perceptions, man, that is cool, where stimulation of one sensory or cognitive pathway leads to involuntary experiences in another. For example, a person with synesthesia might see colors when they hear music or associate specific tastes with certain words. Gosh, that is so cool. To hear music or to hear a sound and have colors displayed in your mind. Wow. There are various forms of synesthesia involving different combinations of senses. This phenomenon is thought to result from atypical neural connections in the brain, leading to the cross-activation of sensory areas. Synesthesia is not considered a disorder. How could it? I mean, a disorder. Sounds so negative. This is so cool. Rather, it's a unique variation in perception that provides a fascinating glimpse into the connectivity, complexity, and flexibility of the human brain's wiring. Researchers are still exploring the underlying mechanisms and the implications of synesthesia for understanding the nature of perception and sensory processing. Number 8, final one, last one, and then we're done. And it's 8 minutes on the clock. Boom. The brain has its own waste removal system known as the glymphatic system. This system clears away waste and toxins that accumulate in the brain, similar to the lymphatic system's role in the rest of the body. The glymphatic system is most active during sleep, and research suggests that it plays a crucial role in maintaining brain health. During sleep, glial cells in the brain shrink, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flush through the brain more effectively, clearing away byproducts of neural activity. This process is believed to be important for preventing the buildup of harmful substances, including beta amyloid plaques associated with neurodegenerative conditions such as Alzheimer's disease. That was 8 things that I doubt you knew about the brain. I certainly didn't know about them before doing the research for this video. I hope you enjoyed. This is Science Tuesday. See you next time.